Problem 60 in your book gives us this graph and asks us to find a formula for a function of this form, y equals cotangent of bx. That's actually kind of nice because I can see I'm just doing one thing. It's going to be a horizontal stretching or shrinking of things. And I can sort of see that's the basic shape for cotangent, and they're just saying, hey, I haven't done anything to it vertically, but I have stretched or shrunk things horizontally. So let's figure out how. So the period would be the interval from the first asymptote to the next asymptote. So I can say the period is equal to 1/4 minus 0. That's a horizontal distance of 1/4. But I also know that that period should be the original period of pi divided by b. Now I'm going to choose b to be a positive number because I can. It would be more complicated if I chose b to be negative. And in fact, that actually wouldn't work because cotangent is an odd function. If b were negative, I'd be able to pull that negative out and we'd have done a vertical flip. I can see we're not doing that. Okay, so if 1/4 is pi over b, I can say b over 4 equals pi. So b would have to equal 4 pi. Great. So y is cotangent of 4 pi x is my answer. Okay. So there aren't a lot of problems like this in the homework, but you do have one of these where you're given a graph, I think it's problem 59, and you're working with a transformation of tangent and trying to work backwards from the graph to try to find the formula for the function.